creativity, hard work, design, time, and care. These are what makes small businesses thrive, especially army-run ones. Thus, the pin makers were born! Hi everyone, it's Angelica. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So guys, I finally caved. I have been wanting to do pin collecting for a while now, and my bank account said no, but I said yes. So that's like every army ever, right? Anyways, I just wanted to showcase these 3 different awesome pin makers. They are my first ever pin mail, my first ever pin purchases, so I'm super excited about all of that. I'm also going to be leaving their information in the description below, so if you want to check them out, go ahead and do so. And let's get started. Okay guys, so the first package we have here came in this cute little purple mesh bag. And this is from Kyootpop or Kyeopins. They wrote my name on their card. Cute little personalized touch. And they also included a bunch of freebies and goodies with the pins. So I'm gonna show you guys those. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest sticker ever. It is Tata as Doctor Strange. And then we have a Tay photo card. And then an OT7 photo card. The glare. And then we also have another OT7 card that is super fun to receive right now because it is their Chilsung ad, which they've been doing a lot of lately. And now we will get into the pins. So the first pin I have here, I had this saved under my Instagram for forever. I've had my eye on this pin for months, guys. Like, it's crazy, but it's so beautiful. I finally have it and I'm just super excited about it because I think this was the first ever pin that actually caught my attention and I was like, okay, I really need to get into pin making. I mean, not pin making, pin collecting. So here we have the pin, the first pin. I'm sorry about the glare, but it is a Borahae based and inspired pin. We have purple peonies, which peonies are actually my favorite flower, so I was super excited about that. And then we have where it says number 7 Borahae Soul and then BTS, so that is kind of like a little Chanel take with the bottle. I just thought it was super adorable, super fun, and I love it so much, guys. Next we have another pin that has the subtle BTS inspired touch. I love those pins where only ARMY will get it or understand. So this one, super cute. It is based off of Black Swan, and oh my gosh, guys, just look at the details in this. It's crazy. Okay, so here we have it. It's an origami swan, and we have the ARMY symbol here, a little heart, and the chain with the 7. That's so adorable. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love subtle touches, and then the glitter is super duper cute with it also. So we are finally on to our second package, and this is from Wild Chamomile. They again wrote my name as a little personalized touch. Their business card is super cute. They have the outline of the boys right there. So let's get into this one. Here is the packaging. The packaging for these pins is super cute. They come in a little plastic cover, and on them they have cute little sweets. This first pin is, oh my gosh, I didn't know that you could get so much detail in a pin. It's crazy. So this one is based off of Magic Shop. Let me show you guys. So there it is, the Magic Shop pin, and so it says, leave your worries behind. It has a cute little purple heart. In the door, it has the universe detailing with the purple glitter, and then on the bottom, of course, it says, so show me. I hope you guys finished that last part. Okay, and then we also have another pin. This pin, oh my goodness. I think this might be my favorite pin ever that I've ever seen. I just started pin collecting, but this is probably one of my absolute favorite pins that I've just ever seen in general. The detail, and just you'll know when I show you guys this pin because it's incredible. So this one is based off of Tay's Singularity, and oh my gosh, guys, are you ready? Are you ready for this? It's his mask, and it has a chain connecting his loved earring. There's some rose detailing, and then also, of course, it says, "I buried my voice for you" on the mask. Oh my gosh, guys, I have to show you the chain detailing, especially though when it hangs. It's crazy. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm like so excited about this pin. This is one of my absolute favorites. I can't get over it. I seriously cannot get over it. Like, how did they even make this pin? It's incredible. And I could just look at it all day. Okay, so we are on our third and final pin mail. I purposefully did not open this pin because I wanted to open it together with you guys. The packaging on this pin especially is supposed to be absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to share that live with you guys, and also I might get a little emotional. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so this pin is going to be from StarStruckPins. So they have their little card. Okay, they gave some little goodies. So we have a Hobie photo card, so cute. And then we also have this little Jolly Rancher candy package, and then on the back it has a note. It says, "Thank you so much for the order. I hope you enjoy the new pin. StarStruckPins," super adorable. So now we shall move on to opening the pin itself. As you can see here, it is still packaged perfectly, and okay guys, it's time to open this. Shall we do it? Okay, I'm going to open the seal up right now. There we go. Oh my gosh, I can already see the pin. So cute. I love this so much. Let me make sure it's in the frame. Oh my goodness, you guys. This pin packaging is amazing. Do you see that? So the packaging, as you can see, it's just wrapped like a little package with an envelope back here. The pin itself is right here. Okay, let's open this. I finally got the string to come off. Ooh, okay. So, oh my gosh. There's a sticker that says, "P.S. I love you more than love, Army, Namjoon," with his little army tree. And then the pin itself, oh my gosh, "Love letters to Army from Namjoon." Oh my goodness, you guys, this pin is beautiful. So let me read to you what the pin says. It is what RM said at the final tour, and she also included "Dear Army" because it's supposed to be in a letter format. So it says, "Dear Army, I wish there was a better word than love. I really truly love you. Please know that. Kim Namjoon." Oh my gosh, you guys, that pin, okay, oh my gosh. And then we also have a little thank you business card, super cute, from StarStruckPins. There we have that. And then finally this envelope. Oh my gosh, you can just tell how much time and effort and care went into the packaging of this, because it's beautiful. There's even a stamp, a BTS stamp. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to open this envelope. It is sealed, so let's do that. I don't know what's inside. I don't want to ruin this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this as carefully as I possibly can, because I don't want to rip it. I want to preserve this. It's too cute. It's too special. Here we go. Here we go. We're doing fine. Here we go. Sorry. Okay. Oh my gosh. I got it open. There's little goodies inside. Oh. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I have an RM photo card, super adorable. And she made homemade stickers for this. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so adorable. I swear this packaging is amazing. Like, and then, oh my gosh, there's a letter from RM. This is, the packaging of this is like you're actually receiving something, receiving a letter from Namjoon. It's so, oh my gosh, this is so special, you guys. So I'm gonna read this to you. You guys taught me through your eyes, through your love, through your tweets, through your letters, through your everything. You guys taught me and inspired me how to love myself. What is loving myself? What is loving yourself? I don't know. Who can define their own method and way of loving myself? It's our mission to define our way to love ourselves. It's never intended, but it feels like I'm using you guys to love myself. So I'm going to say one thing. Please use me. Please use BTS to love yourself because you taught me how to love myself every day. Kim Namjoon. Oh my gosh, you guys, my heart with this pin and the packaging and just everything that went into this. My heart is so full right now. I don't think any other packaging can beat this because this was so like heart touching to open and just feel so, I can't even talk right now. See, this pin has me just completely, I don't have any words to, it just makes me really miss BTS. So, okay, yeah, this was my first ever pin mail, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, feel free to leave a comment below of any other ARMY-owned businesses that you want to share, and I will definitely be checking them out. So thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you next week. Bye!